Good morning students. Next we are going to discuss about example sum 1.5. So here one arrow diagram they are given. This is the arrow diagram picture. Okay. The arrow diagram shows a relationship between the set P and Q. So these two set they are given. This is the set P. This is the set Q. This arrow diagram shows the relationship between the set Q, set P and set Q. So using that we have to find out, write the relation in set builder form. That relation you have to write set builder form. Second one, roster form. Third one, what is the domain and range of R. So already we know that set builder form means how we are going to write. So set builder, some rules is there. So set builder form of R. Set builder form of R. So listen, set builder form of R means what is there? So you have to give one name here. Two sets is there. Two set is there. So two set also we have to give one name, and also here what's the condition basis they are given. Okay, so here you have to check it here. Here 5 is there, here 3 is there, here 6 is there, here 4, here 7 is there, here 5 is there. Each and every value is less than the 2. Compared with the Q, compared with the P, Q value is less than 2 only, no. So using that we have to create the set builder form. So first I have to give the name set builder form of R. So two set is there, x comma y, x comma y, two sets is there, such that y equal to x minus 2, y equal to x minus 2. So listen, here we have to basis the P value is what? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Q value 3, 4, 5. Q value 3, 4, 5. So listen here we have to assume that the value y equal to x minus 2. I put the condition y equal to x minus 2. So y value is here 3. Here this one you have to, this full of x element, this full of y element. So it's here 3. So x value is what? 5 minus 2. So 3 minus 3. So the next 4 equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4, here 4 equal to 4. The next one 7. So the next one here 5. So the next one 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 equal to 5. So what's the condition we are taken? Y equal to x minus 2. This condition, based on this condition the answer came correctly. So this is the value x comma y such that y equal to x minus 2. Here x belongs to capital P and y belongs to capital Q. That's all. The next one, roster form. Roster form means nothing is there. What are all values? Here 5 comma 5 we are going 5 comma 3. First value 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. 8 we no need to consider because 8 don't have the any value. So 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. This is the roster form. So domain. Domain means what are all values we are going we are substituting here. 5, 6, 7 we are substituting. 5, 6, 7. Okay. What are the answers you got it? That is the range. What are all we are substituting? That is the domain. What are all answer we got? That is the range. So 3, 4, 5. Okay. So again I will say, so set builder form you have to say that two set is that two sets I have to assume that x comma y such that here y value is equal to x minus 2. Y value is equal to x minus 2. Here x value belongs to capital P and y value belongs to capital Q. Based on that you have to write P value, Q value. So y equal to x minus 2 we are taking the condition. Based on the condition that answer is correct or not you have to check it. So y value, this is the y, this is x. So y value is 3, 5 minus 2 equal to 3 equal to 3. Answer came. So next 4. 4 equal to 6 minus 2. So 4 equal to 4. The next 5. So we have taken the 7 minus 2 equal to 5 equal to 5. So this condition is correct. The next one, roster form. What are all values we got it? 5 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 7 comma 5. This is the roster form. What are all elements is there? That one is the roster form. The next finally domain. Domain means what are all we are substituting. Here what are all values we are substituting? 5, 6, 7. 8 we are not substitute the. So this is not a domain. Okay. So 5, 6, 7. And range of R. Range of R means 3, 4, 5. We got the answer. So that is the range 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you. The next we have to see the one small important notes. A relation which contain no elements. So which contain no elements means that is called the null relation. Null relation. No elements is called the null relation. So here 8 we are not substituting. So this is 8 don't have the any relation. That is called the null relation. Okay, so the next one, if number of A equal to P, number of B is equal to Q, like that is there, then total number of relations that exist between A and B. So number of A is equal to P, number of B is equal to Q, then the total number of relations that exist between A and B. This is one important formula, 2 power PQ, 2 power PQ. Okay, thank you students.